Good afternoon. How is it going? I hope you all are going well. My little kids, it's your English lecture and the topic of the day is meet the letter Q. Q and its sound is qua, qua, qua. Its sound is qua. Now come on the book page number 48. Firstly, we will sing the poem from this page. Sing with me. A quail, bright and red. Quail color is bright and red. It keeps me warm in the bed. My quail has stars and fairies too. I love my quail bright and new. Very good. Now, know about a letter. Here is a letter Q. Here is a letter Q, and its sound is qua, qua, qua. Its sound is qua. Which letter is here, my champions? Q. Q, and its sound is qua. Its sound is qua. Here is a queen. Wow, it's a queen. Queen. Q, qua, queen, and this is a quail. It's a quail. Q, quail, and it is quilt. Quilt. Q, quilt, and this one is quail. Quail. Q, quail. पर जो होता है जिसे हम कलम बनाते हैं. Q, quail. Now come and read after me. Here is a letter Q and its sound is Q. Q, quail. Q, quail. Quail बोलते हैं बटेर को. Q, quail. Q, quail. Q, quail. And Q, queen. Queen. Q, quilt. Q, quilt. Now come on the book page number 49. Here is a letter Q. Now read and trace the letter Q and paste shape stickers to complete the quilt. यहाँ पर एक क्वाइल्ट बना है जो आपने स्टिकर्स, स्टार्स, सर्कल, स्क्वायर और ट्रायंगल शेप्स लगाकर आपने क्वाइल्ट बनाना है. And after that you will circle the letter Q as well. Okay my dear students, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.